Orchid buds may fall off due to care mistakes, such as exposure to direct sunlight, being placed in too dark a location, or near a radiator or electrical appliances. Overwatering the substrate. It's recommended to let it dry slightly between waterings, otherwise fungal infections may occur. Presence of nearby fruits, bananas, apples, etc., tomatoes, or even nuts, as these release ethylene gas, which causes premature aging of flowers or bud drop. Regularly inspecting the base of the buds is essential, as mealybugs, resembling small cotton-like pieces, may be present. They suck the plant's sap, leading to the death of buds and flowers. Periodic inspections for pests and diseases will help keep the plant healthy and prolong its blooming period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.